Alright, quickly checking if I'm in focus here. Alright, good. So today we are talking about Nigerian student tradition called signing out. If you're new here, my name is Darlington Sheriff and I'm a photographer and a filmmaker based off Nigeria. Saying that now, I'm a Nigerian and I schooled in Nigeria all my life. My secondary school, my primary school, and my university were all done in this country. And if you went to a Nigerian university, you should know this culture called signing out. The term called signing out, or the day called sign out day, is the day when you write your final paper in the Nigerian university, and it's such a beautiful, memory-filled day. This vlog is very hard to make, not because the story is hard, but because my legs are aching. I think I should go somewhere else. So in Nigeria, there are three popular types of school systems, which are the private school, the federal school, and the state school. I went to a federal school. Whether you're Nigerian or not, you should know this popular thing about Nigerian schools, that they always go on strike.
The Academic Staff Union of Universities strike is still ongoing. Stakeholders and the nation are tired of the system.
Yes, it is. In my thinking, a shame on all
And if that is the case, then it can take place anywhere.
And if you go to a federal school in Nigeria, you stand a very strong chance of facing strike. And this will extend your stay in school by weeks, and then by months, and then by a year, and then by years. The 4 years course may become a 5 years course, or a 6 years course, or even just maybe a 7 years course. The cost of this may range from different reasons. One might be the government not being able to pay the staffs that teaches the students. Most other reasons could be domestic violence going around the school location. Let's say a war in the community where the school is located, or a war in the state, or a global pandemic altogether. And this could result to students being in school longer by weeks, by months, or even by years. And that's why this day called signing out is a very beautiful, emotional day that has so many. And that's why this day is filled with so much emotions, so much love, so much tears, hugs, memories, because this day will never, ever come again. I finished from the university on December 5th, 2022, and this is how my sign out went. So this is the final day. We're actually signing out today by the grace of God, and these are my people. We are not yet complete, but this is like the beginning of the vlog. So the day starts with everyone coming to school and getting to the exam hall, looking good in a white t-shirt, having hopes for the paper to come, and most importantly, for the celebration that will come after the exam. And after a few hours of brainstorming and writing, everyone submits their final paper and leave the hall. The celebration starts immediately after the exam is done. So once you're done writing the exam, everybody come out from the hall, then you get your markers, and then begin to write your names, write symbols, write quotes on the shirt of your classmates, maybe your friend from another department or from another school. You sign your name on there, and it shows that you are happy for them and you are glad that they've left. I had my t-shirt signed on so much that there was no more space for anyone to sign on again, so I had to flip it inside out for people to sign on it. So your friends, your family, your guys, your buddies, your roommates, everybody comes to celebrate with you to make you feel special that very day. But I have one candid advice for you. Don't ever, emphasis on ever, pour alcoholic wine into your eyes. I almost got blinded. So after I got poured wine, not only did I almost go blind, but my body, my shirt, was soaked. So I tried to squeeze out the alcohol from the shirt. Then I realized, oh wait, this is the last day of school. Let me just do a little bit of show off. I did that because everyone knows how I used to look when I was in school. From year 1 to year 3, I've been very small and lanky, just in school and out of school. The midway into final year, we had one last strike. And during that strike, I had to go off to train my body. I took bodybuilding seriously. I started eating properly, sleeping well. And that helped me to build my body the way it was. And I was so proud to show them the results. So the rest of the day, we spend it creating all the memories that we can, taking pictures, having longer hugs. We make videos, we scream, we get prayed for. You're all happy, family, the friends, they're all around you, just make you feel really good and feel special. The Bible says in the book of 1 Corinthians 12:26, if one member suffers, all suffer together. And if one member is honored, all rejoice together. What does this imply? Come and celebrate with your friends on that day. Be cheerful, make them happy, make them feel loved. If you're their roommates, if you're their classmates, if you're their friends from other departments, come down and celebrate with them. Looking back at these memories, I can only thank God for everything He did for me in school. He made me discover my passion in photography. Even while that affected my studies at some point, He still brought people to favor me and help me at very difficult times. Towards the end of my stay in school, my dad passed on and it got me even more confused and bitter. But he held me to the very end. So my advice to you, if you're still a student, you're midway into school, you're in your final year, you just got into school, is to embrace that day when it comes. Look forward to that day and be happy, be cheerful, be of good faith when it comes. Even if it doesn't go the way you planned, your exam didn't go well, you had issues, people didn't come to celebrate with you, your family didn't show up, your friends, your roommates, your colleagues, they didn't show up to celebrate with you. Be cheerful, be happy, create those memories with your classmates, and it will never come again. That's the truth. Even if you try to recreate the memory, it's not going to be with your mates. Your mates are all gone then. So, be happy. Alright people, this is the end of this episode and I hope you enjoyed this one. So if you're done with school already, tell me in the comments how you celebrated your own sign-out day. And if you're outside Nigeria, I would like to know how you guys celebrate your final paper in school. Please leave a like on this one and subscribe to my channel. It's going to really help me, please. I hope to hit 1K by the end of July. And tell me what you want to tell me on the comments, really. I appreciate it.